Welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video we will see the characteristics of first class bricks. Okay, so to know the characteristics of first class bricks you have to remember 4 to 5 points which is very important for bricks. Okay, so number one is it should have uniform texture. Okay, so you can see in this picture it is of uniform color. There is no any black or whiteness in this bricks. Okay, number two is it should not absorb water 15% of its dry weight when immersed in cold water up to 24 hours. Okay, so you have to remember 2 to 3 points in this. First of all, you have to remember it should not absorb 15% of dry weight. Okay, and another point is you have to put it into cold water, and you have to put up to 24 hours in water. Okay, so you can see here this is our dry bricks, and for example its weight is 5 kg. Okay, so when we immerse this brick in this water, and after 24 hours its weight become how much? 5.5. Okay, so this will be only something about 5% to 10%, 5% to 10% of the increasement in the weight of this bricks. Okay, so if there is only up to 15% increasement when immersed in the water, then this will be our first class brick. Okay, now in number 3, there should be uniformly burned with deep red color. Okay, so you can see in this brick there is no non-uniform bond with red brick. Okay, so there is somewhat white color, there is somewhat black color, there is somewhat red color. Okay, so these types of bricks is not our first class brick. Number 4 is metallic sound should come when two bricks are stuck against each other. Okay, so when we collapse one bricks with another bricks, then there should be generated a metallic sound. Okay, after that in number 5, it is very important point that the crossing strength should not be less than 10.5 newton per mm square and 7 newton per mm square for first class brick and second class bricks respectively. Okay, so if our bricks is of first class brick, then there should be 10.5 newton per mm square as a crossing strength and 7 newton per mm square as a crossing strength of the second class brick. Okay, so this test is done in the lab, and this is the accurate test, so it should not be less than 10.5 newton per mm square as a crossing strength of the brick. Okay, so these are the 5 points which judge the characteristics of the first class brick. Okay, so this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering.